All right, 15 Temporal Forces. Let's get some SIRs here. Nothing in that first one. Not my favorite card, but oh well. At least it's a hit. A hit's a hit. Getting hosed right now. No full arts yet. Ooh, this is not looking good. I actually don't know what the pull rates are on Temporal Forces. So this could be normal or abnormal. Oh, that's a cool one. That's a double gold. I think that's... Yeah, it is. Ooh, that's a nice one. Wow, that's really nice. Let's put that in the sleeve. My lighting's not very good, but